Earlier we talked about the production function that showed the input-output. Input was variable input, of course. Labor output was measured on a vertical axis, and we had a production function that looked like this. Output was a function of variable input and fixed inputs. Fair enough, meaning that this number of head counts produced this quantity of output. Now if I take the same workers and give them better tools, better equipment, or training, or motivate them better, or a combination of all, the same head count can produce more. And this is true at all levels. And therefore we end up with a production function that is shifting up. This is now the same head counts but with better technology. Before we had old tools and equipment, now we have a better technology, better training, etc. So production function shifts up. On the other hand, if we lose the technology or allow the machines to wear out and not to replace it, your production function can shift down, and the same head count can produce less, and that is not a very healthy situation for a firm. Now this idea can be translated when we look at this. All the concepts behind the supply curve. This was the output of flip-flops and the different prices. This was the original supply curve. When you figure out to do things more efficiently, meaning to move from Q0 to Q1, then you actually tilt your supply curve from S0 to S1. With the existing demand curve, see what happens. This was original output and the price. Now you can actually produce more output with the same resources because you made it more effective, and actually can potentially charge lower prices and still be profitable. Therefore, improvement in technology can result in more production in falling prices. Now, the technology, because it improves productivity, it actually lowers your cost structure.